This 2018 Venture RV Sonic SL167VMS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, stovetop burner, refrigerator, awning, smoke detector, microwave, leveling jacks, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Venture RV Sonic SL167VMS is 2,898 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.